Hey, what's up you guys? Matt Thibeau here with Savant Marketing Agency, and in this video, we're going to talk all about the 3 steps that you can use today to start grabbing the attention of your prospects using online marketing content. Now, this is super important because if you can't grab someone's attention, they're not going to listen to you for anything else that you say, right? So you could do the best possible work. Let's say that you do renovations or flooring or roofing or anything like that. You aren't going to be able to show people how great your work is and be able to do a good job for them if you can't first grab their attention and get them to pay attention to you. I mean, how often have you been in a Facebook group, for example, and a homeowner is looking for a contractor to help them with a specific project, and you know that you can help them with the project, you know that you're a good fit, but you're just not able to get through to them because there's just so many other contractors who are competing for that job, right? And so if that's you, if you've experienced that before, you need to learn how to get attention. So I'm going to teach you in this video 3 steps to get attention using online marketing content so you're not going out and chasing people, but they can actually come to you. And this is going to be really powerful for you because you're going to be able to charge what you're worth, and you're going to be able to stop chasing people all the time and be able to get inbound leads just from the content that you post. So let's jump right into things here. So step number 1, the first step if you want to start attracting your ideal prospects using online marketing, the first step is to commit to actually getting attention online. There's a lot of contractors who will probably just dip their toe in the water, and maybe every now and then they'll post some content on social media, and then they'll take a break for a little bit, and then they'll post something else and take a break, and they're not really consistent with it. And so what happens because of that is you never really get any results. Or as soon as you come up against some kind of challenge, then you stop posting content, or you get flustered in your business, you stop posting content. And I'm here to tell you that the first step is you need to commit to actually posting content online and doing online marketing so you can get attention. Not a lot of people like getting attention. Like if you're the type of person where posting online, you're scared to do that, you don't want to show your face, you are scared that people are going to make fun of you, you don't want to show your work, then maybe this isn't for you, and you just need to be honest with yourself about that. But if you are the type of person who's looking to get attention and you want to grow your business, then you need to decide and make a commitment to do so. Because if you don't do that, then everything else we talk about is useless. So first thing is commit to getting attention. And any commitment will come down to time or money or both, right? So you have to set aside some time, you have to set aside some money, or you have to do both in order to have a real commitment that's going to bring real results, right? So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is then you have to know what to post, right? Now you're committed. What do I actually post? What kind of content do I show people? The only thing that you really need to know when it comes to posting, marketing online, marketing content, is you just need to consistently show proof that you are the real deal. And what that looks like is showing consistent proof of the work that you do, the crew that you have, maybe the trucks that you own, showing consistently over a long duration of time the proof that you actually know what you're talking about, right? You could even do videos similar to this, where you take a video and you film yourself and you walk through a job and you show people exactly what you did. This is going to be proof that you actually know what you're talking about. And people who watch you are going to think to themselves, this guy knows what he's talking about, maybe I should hire him. And it's not going to happen right away, but over a period of time, a long period of time of showing consistent proof of the work that you do, the clients who are happy, the trucks and the crew, and all of the proof that you have that you are growing a company and that people are happy working with you and that you do a good job and you do care, showing this proof over time is going to build and build and build and build. And you're going to build that brand, and people are going to start to reach out to you and say, hey, I saw you posted this video. Could you help me with something like that? Hey, I've been following you for a little bit and we want to do this bathroom project and we were thinking that you'd be perfect for it. blah, 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 right? So the type of stuff that you want to be posting is consistent proof over a long period of time that you know what you're doing. And that can come in the form of videos, testimonials, it doesn't really matter, but the high level overview is proof. Remember that. Okay, so now number 3, the last thing. You've got the commitment. Now you are posting, you know what to post. The last thing now is that you need to crank up the quantity of those posts. You need to be everywhere. You need to be constantly posting all the time, and your brand needs to be all over the internet. Now, there's 2 ways to go about doing this. You could do this in a organic way, like doing a video, and you do maybe like 7 videos a week. You're jumping on the videos, you're posting pictures all the time, right? That's the organic way, where you're doing it. It costs you nothing, but it costs you time, right? So there's no monetary cost, but it's the time of you like doing it and posting it and always posting this content, right? The other way of doing it is through paid advertising, right? So you can literally just pay on social media to put your ads in front of your ideal prospects so you're there all the time. This is a way to scale up that quantity, right? Or if you want to really bring your marketing to the next level, then do both. You're posting all the time, you're doing all this organic content, and you're doing the advertising on top of that. This is going to bring it to another level. Because oftentimes people will ask me, they'll say, hey Matt, does quantity or quality matter when it comes to my marketing content? And the answer is both. You should have very high quality content, but you should also have a high quantity of it, because in today's day and age, if your content isn't prolific enough, if it's not in front of enough people most of the time, you're simply not going to have enough attention. Remember, the point of this video is we're saying, how do you get attention online today of your prospects? Well, guess what? There's so many things out there that are competing for their attention. You got TikTok, you got all sorts of stuff online that's basically just popping up and saying, hey, watch this, watch this, watch this. And so people have very little attention now. And so if you want to be able to compete with that, then you need to be constantly putting out material that's going to be able to get their attention so they can constantly see your face or see your brand and see that what you're working on. And this is going to snowball, and so that people are going to be entrenched in your brand and they're going to know exactly who you are. So guess what? When it is time for them to do work and they're looking to get their basement done, or they're looking for that painting job, or they're looking to get that landscaping done, or they're looking for those new floors, then it's going to be time for them to reach out to you. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I would love if you could leave a comment below, share with me your thoughts, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.